The sun is definitely not out. Roger has no hair. Very chilly.
Mama,
what are you doing?
Daddy was eating candy in front of me.
And it's too early in the morning for candy. There's perks to being an adult. I think I hear a school bus.
I can have candy whenever I want.
Ha! Tricked us. You want to look at the tree? Go ahead. So this one has some little berries on it that we don't know what they are, so I don't like the kids touching them. For birds, yeah. What do you see? A cricket? Who knew the bus stop could be so fun? Have a good day at school. Be nice.
Bye,
Allie, have a good day, buddy. Just stay here. What is your daddy giving you?
Bite.
How do you rate?
Last time I tried to give Jackson chocolate before the bus, she yelled at me.
You shoved his pockets full of Starbursts.
Yeah, I'm awesome. Do you want to bite?
No, I don't want to bite.
Bite?
Were you asking YouTube or me? Whoa! Hello! What are you doing up there? Yeah. What are you doing? They're for Daddy.
Thank you. Well, that's what happens when you actually buy candy I like.
What is she doing? Huh. That's you. Say hi.
Hi.
Twirl, twirl.
I got you there.
I know. Do you love it?
Oh, I think I did.
Wow.
Hey guys, today we have Elliot.
Yes, we do, huh?
He really likes the toys.
You want more chicken? How many pieces of chicken do you need to put on this wrap? Oh, one's not enough. Yeah, that's totally closed, guys.
It is.
It is not a taco. It's a chicken wrap.
It's wrapped.
It's a taco.
Look how wrapped that is.
It's not. You're leaking.
Hi guys, nice to see you again. Hi guys, nice to see you again.
Oh, you almost caught it. Oh.
Mama, play with me.
What are you eating? String cheese. Grass stains.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Because he murdered me. That he's actually a really good throw. I didn't think he could hit that.
Today we are going to be showing you our evening household routine. And so what I mean by that is basically every evening, especially if it's a school night for our son, we